Now, what's your name?
Baly.
Bailey what?
Baly John Button.
Bailey John Botton. And how old are you?
4.
You're 4 years old.
What did clothes on?
He has his clothes off?
Yeah.
Who is that?
Baly his clothes off.
Bailey has his clothes off.
Let me see it's me.
No, I don't want to see his... Is that baby in there? Is he pretty cute?
Yeah.
Do you like him?
Oh, don't put that down. Don't put the candles down.
Don't not. What would happen if you knocked the candles down?
Careful.
You got to be careful. Now, Bailey, how old is Trey?
4.
Trey's 4, just like you?
Yeah.
Now, what are all your brothers' names?
1, 2, 3, 6.
Now, do you know what their names are?
Yeah.
What?
1, 2, 3.
Okay, walk over there and tell me who each of them are.
1.
No, what's this one's name?
Trey.
And go tell me who the other one is.
Devon. Cody.
Okay. Now, what do you call those people? Are those your sisters?
Yeah, they're my sisters.
Or are they your brothers?
They're my sisters.
They're your sisters.
Trey. Sister. Devon. Cody. Trey.
Do you love them?
Yep.
That's nice. And what's my,
got big cheeks on your head.
what's my name?
Daddy.
Right. Do you love Daddy?
Mm-hmm. Let me take a picture.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who's in there?
I'm gonna take right there.
Yeah.
I'm gonna take.
Oh, don't. Oh, God, that's scary.
Huh? Huh? Almost do that one.
No.
I'm gonna do that one.
Bailey, what's your favorite color?
Purple. 1, 2, 6.
Now, how high can you count?
1,
1,
2,
2, 3,
3,
4.
4.
Right. 5,
5.
6.
And this one.
What's that one?
4.
Right. Oh, don't touch. What color are your eyes?
4. What's the pink? What's more pink?
Your eyes are pink?
That's why my mommy told me pink.
Oh, your mommy's eyes are pink.
They're actually red.
Where did you go tonight? Whose house did you go to?
My house.
No, whose house did I just pick you up at?
Oh, Vicky's. From Gicky's.
Who?
From Gicky's.
From Gicky's?
Yeah, that's what he calls it.
And who else was over at Vicky's house?
How about your girls? My girls.
Your girlfriends?
Yeah.
What are their names?
Do this. Do this. Do this.
Okay, who makes that sound?
Papa does.
Who does?
Papa does. Me does. Do this. Do this.
You do that too?
Yeah, I'm doing that
Whose bed do you sleep in? Sit back. Oh no.
That's better. Bailey, do you sleep in Grandpa's bed?
No. Tell me something. Who snores louder, Bailey, John, or Grandpa?
Me.
Uh-oh. Don't fall.
Bailey, say Grandpa snores louder. Did it.
BJ, can you tell me, where's your nose?
Right here.
What is this?
36 boom. Eyeballs.
Right, what's this?
Face.
What's this right here?
Elbow.
This is your elbow?
Yeah.
What's this down here?
Elbow.
You have 2 elbows?
Yeah. And this elbow and this the elbow. This the elbow.
Right. How about
And this elbow. And this elbow.
what's this called right here?
Hand.
What?
Hand.
Your hand?
Yeah.
How about what are these called?
Dad, can you stop interviewing Baly?
What's those called?
Quit interviewing Baly because we're gonna play pillow fight. Wait. We're gonna.
Do you like to pillow fight?
Yep.
I don't want
Yep.
to play pillow
Do you get
fight.
hurt?
Yep.
I want to listen to the song.